Welcome to OET Answers.
Your preparation time is over. Now, you can start your speaking role play. Don't worry if I stop you when the time is up.
Good morning. My name is Florence Nightingale, and I will be taking care of you today. I see you've brought your son with you. Could you tell me what brings you in?
Good morning. My son was recently diagnosed with Noonan syndrome, and I am really worried. I don't know much about it and need more information. I want to make sure we're doing everything right for him.
I completely understand how overwhelming a new diagnosis can be. I'm glad you came in today so we can talk about your concerns and come up with a plan. Before proceeding further, may I know your name, son's name, and his age, please?
I'm Jasmine. He's Simon, and 4 years old.
Thank you, Mrs. Jasmine. Now, to help me understand better, could you tell me what's worrying you the most about his diagnosis?
I've heard that Noonan syndrome can affect many parts of the body, like the heart and development. I'm worried about his growth and how this might affect his future.
Those are very valid concerns. Let's start with an overview of Noonan syndrome. It's a genetic disorder that affects different parts of the body, often leading to distinct facial features, short stature, heart defects, and developmental delays. However, the symptoms can vary widely from person to person. Some children are more mildly affected, while others may need more medical attention.
That helps, but I'm still not sure what to expect. His doctor mentioned possible heart problems. Is that common?
Yes, heart defects are quite common in children with Noonan syndrome. One of the most frequent heart issues is called pulmonary stenosis, where one of the heart valves is narrowed. This is why it's important for him to see a pediatric cardiologist regularly. They'll monitor his heart and decide if any treatment is needed. Have you noticed any heart-related symptoms, or has he already seen a cardiologist?
Not yet. The doctor told us to schedule an appointment, but we have not done it yet. I have not noticed anything serious, but I want to stay on top of it.
That's a great approach. Early detection and regular monitoring are key when it comes to managing heart issues. In addition to heart concerns, Noonan syndrome can sometimes lead to developmental delays. Has your son experienced any developmental challenges so far?
Hare's been a little slow in starting to talk, and Hare's smaller than other kids his age. We have not started any therapies yet, though.
Slower growth and speech delays are common in children with Noonan syndrome. It's important to start early interventions, like speech and physical therapy, which can make a big difference in helping him catch up. You might also want to consider working with a developmental pediatrician to guide you through what therapies would be most beneficial for him.
That makes sense. I just want to make sure he gets the right help. Is there anything else I should be watching for?
Besides heart and developmental concerns, some children with Noonan syndrome can have feeding issues and learning difficulties as they grow. It's essential to keep an eye on his growth and developmental milestones. Regular checkups with specialists like a pediatric cardiologist and developmental experts will help ensure he's progressing well. Does he have any feeding problems or other health concerns at the moment?
Hare's been having some trouble with feeding, but nothing too serious. I'm more worried about his future development.
Feeding issues are also common, but many children improve with time and the right support. With early interventions and consistent medical care, most children with Noonan syndrome can lead healthy and fulfilling lives. You're already doing a great job by staying informed and seeking the necessary care for him.
That's reassuring to hear. I just want to make sure we're doing everything we can for him.
You're definitely on the right track. One of the best things you can do is to stay proactive. Regular follow-ups with his medical team, including cardiologists and developmental specialists, will help monitor his progress. Additionally, therapies like speech and physical therapy can play a big role in supporting his growth and development. Have you considered joining a support group for families with children who have Noonan syndrome?
No, I have not thought about that yet. Do you think it would help?
Absolutely. Connecting with other parents going through similar experiences can provide emotional support and practical advice. Many families find it helpful to share their challenges and successes. There are also online communities that offer resources and support for parents of children with Noonan syndrome.
That sounds like a good idea. I think it would help to talk to others who understand what we're going through.
I'm glad to hear that. It's always helpful to know you're not alone. In addition to support groups, I recommend keeping in close contact with your healthcare team and staying informed about your son's condition. The more you know, the better prepared you'll be to make decisions about his care.
Thank you. This has been really helpful. I feel more confident about what we need to do next.
I'm so glad to hear that. We're here to support you every step of the way. Before you go, I would recommend scheduling a follow-up appointment so we can monitor your son's development and make sure he's getting all the care he needs. We'll continue to work together to ensure he's on the right path.
I will definitely do that. Thanks again for all your help.
That is the end of your speaking role play. All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Kindly comment your suggestions and help us to do better.